Hi, this is Lyhin. Sometimes businesses test their applications on the end users, and that's not necessarily bad. That's good. That's how it's supposed to work. Business creates an application, users use the application, they give feedback, and then the business changes the UI, changes functionality, and everything else. It works. That's how it's supposed to work. But when we talk about cybersecurity feedback, there are two notable effects. First, people don't know how to report cybersecurity things, and they don't report it properly all the time, and sometimes they don't report it at all. And second, every time somebody discovers cybersecurity issue, this decreases the reputation. So when you see when normal person, not cybersecurity person, but normal real user who uses the service and they discover a cybersecurity issue, they either stop using this service or they start thinking about abusing this service. So it never increases their reputation. So of course it could be the situation when two different groups of developers grow together, test the products of each other with full connection, with full synchronization, with full understanding. And if one group of developers find bugs in what another group of developers created and then they report it, of course this is some kind of testing if this increases their relationships. But practically saying, this creates ambiguity in what they mean, how they talk. They start talking differently. It's not clear who owes to who, and then it because it's not really verbalized properly, this might lead to, if it's not verbalized properly, this might lead to situations. So it's much cheaper to test the application with testers who knows how to test cybersecurity, compared to expect that users will test cybersecurity and report bugs properly, and it's almost impossible to expect that this will increase their value of your product.